Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to configure MI range extender using MI Home application.
Open Google Play Store or Apple Store and search for MI Home application and install it on your phone or tablet. Maybe it will take a few seconds. Just wait for install the application. Finally it installed. Let's open it. While opening it, ask for sign up with email. I have already one, so use my email and password for login. If you're doing this first time, sign up with any email account. Now the application asks for some permissions. Let's allow it. Let's add the device by clicking plus icon on the right upper corner and select add device. Now it's asking for some permissions. Allow it, then the application automatically search for the nearby extender device. If it fails to detect, manually select the device from the below list, navigate to router and gateway, and select Wi-Fi amplifier, and select the correct extender model, then select set as new amplifier, then click next. It's asking for reset the extender. If it have any previous configurations, then it will lost, and you can use it as a fresh device. After finish the reset, please click next, then connect to the Wi-Fi network, which you want to extend the signal. Select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password, and click next. Now the telephone will connect to the extender device. Remember to bring your telephone closer to the extender, and a pop-up window will appear and ask the permission to connect with extender. Click connect, and wait for the configuration. System will automatically configure. This time the Wi-Fi device, telephone and extender device are bring closer each other, for fast and successful configuration. The extender is successfully configured. Now you can select the room, which the extender is placing, and change the name if you want. See here its Wi-Fi settings not showing here. For see the Wi-Fi settings of the extender, open Wi-Fi settings of your phone and connect the MI Wi-Fi extender signal. The MI extender Wi-Fi signal same as the Wi-Fi network, which that we connected earlier.